Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Okay, we go to the last chapter of MGT 345, that is chapter 11, maintenance. So this chapter can be found in chapter 14 in your textbook. What is meant by maintenance? Maintenance is all activities involved to ensure that facilities and equipment are in working order. So maintenance in Malay is penyelenggaraan. So it is about the activities or actions taken by the organization to check on the machines and equipments to make sure that these machines and equipment can be used or can function very well. So apa sahaja yang dibuat, aktiviti ataupun action yang diambil oleh organisation untuk memastikan mesin dia berjalan dengan baik, berfungsi dengan baik. So that is what we call as maintenance. And maintenance is very important because it helps the organization to continue producing the products. What are the importance of maintenance? The first one is maintenance can maintain the capability of system. Capability means keupayaan. System means it refers to the facilities and also the equipment. So by performing maintenance activities, then the machines and equipments, which we can call also as a system or systems, can function very well and it has less interruption. So the machines and equipment and also the system are capable of producing the products. The next importance is it ensures that production meets the expected quality, specification and target. So by performing maintenance activities, then the machines can function very well. So by that, these machines can produce the products as according to the specification and standard. So kalau mesin tu berfungsi dengan baik, sebab dijaga dengan baik, dijaga ni maksudnya maintenance has been performed. So machines tu berada dalam keadaan yang sangat bagus. So whatever standard set to the machine to produce the product, maksudnya dalam machine tu company selalu akan set specification what are the criteria of a product to be produced by using the machines, then definitely that machine can use as program or can produce as program. So contohnya you nak produce t-shirt menggunakan machine, so you akan programkan di machine tu. So whatever program or standard that you set to the machine, and because of this machine has been maintained or maintenance has been performed on this machine, so definitely this machine can perform its job to produce the product according to the set that has been set, standard that has been set to the machine. So produk yang kita keluarkan tu atau company keluarkan tu akan mempunyai kualiti seperti yang dikehendaki. The next importance is it prevents work stoppage caused by an equipment malfunction. So malfunction here means rosak lah, breakdown. So maintenance can actually avoid the machines from malfunction. Maintenance ni dapat mengelakkan mesin tu daripada rosak. Okay, so that is a very important point for conducting maintenance activities, that is to make sure that the machines and equipment can be used for a long time. So dia tak akan membuatkan kerja tu terberhenti. So if machines are not maintained or the maintenance activity is not performed on the machines, then there is a high probability that the machine will stop ataupun malfunction. So in that case, kerja akan terberhenti. That what we call as work stoppage. So that is to reduce work stoppage lah by performing maintenance activities. The next one is maintenance can also minimizes costs, definitely, because of by performing maintenance activities on the machines and equipment, then the machines are in a very good condition. So machines can be used. So because of that, the products that the company produce are having high quality. So there is less risk of producing defects product. Ni kalau machine tu kita jaga dengan bagus, kita buat maintenance, dan machine tu akan produce product dengan baik lah. Okay, machine takkan rosak. So when we produce the product that has quality, then there is no rework. Rework means kita kena buat semula barang yang rosak. That is called as rework because of there are no defects to the product. So if we have a lot of defects because of the machines are not maintained, tak dijaga, then there are a lot of defects product, then the company will have to spend a lot of money to rework the product or to rework the defects. So that is how poor maintenance lead to high cost. And last importance is it ensures the entire workplace is safe. So by performing maintenance activity, then the workplace is safe in a way that there is less probability that the machine will harm the employees. So mesin tu kalau dijaga dengan baik, tak akan ada kerosakan. So mesin tu tidak akan membahayakan persekitaran ataupun pekerja yang berada di persekitaran. So machines which are not maintained, meaning that no maintenance activities performed on the machines, there is a probability of machine to explode lah, to cause danger to the employees near the machines and all. Okay, so it is very common to hear the machine explode ataupun machine yang apa, yang mana employees ni bila guna dia akan merosakkan, mencacatkan employees. So that is called as maintenance can ensure the workplace is safe.
Okay, now we go to the main thing for this chapter, that is the types of maintenance, jenis-jenis maintenance. So there are two types of maintenance, breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. Okay, what is meant by breakdown maintenance? It involves performing maintenance activities after a machine breakdown. Okay, focus on the red colored words. After the machine or after a machine breakdown or malfunction has occurred. Malfunction here means kerosakan lah. And then must be repaired on an emergency on priority basis. So breakdown maintenance, by the word breakdown. Breakdown maksudnya rosak. Breakdown maintenance is the maintenance activities performed by the organisation after the machine has broken down. Company ataupun organisasi ni membuat aktiviti penyelenggaraan ke atas mesin selepas mesin tu dah rosak. Okay, when the machines are still functioning, there is no maintenance activities conducted on the machine. Lepas rosak, barulah aktiviti penyelenggaraan such as checking and repairing are done to the machine. So that is called as breakdown maintenance. So the example given here for the breakdown maintenance, okay, you look at the second point here, breakdown maintenance includes, so these are the examples of breakdown maintenance, repairs, replacement of parts, overhaul. Okay, contoh-contoh breakdown maintenance ni, repair, dia dah rosak mesin tu, kita hantar repair. So that is one example. Replacement of parts, okay, mesin tu rosak because of some parts cannot be used anymore, so they need to be replaced. So this is part of breakdown maintenance. And sometimes overhaul. Overhaul here means major repair on the machine. Okay, katalah kereta you rosak, you need to overhaul your car. Overhaul ni bukan repair sikit-sikit, repair yang major. So that is called as overhaul. So the purpose is to ensure that the machine is put back in operating condition, to make sure that the machine can function back very well. Okay. And the next type of preventive maintenance, the next type of maintenance is the preventive maintenance, which means involves performing maintenance activities before the equipment fails or break down. So preventive maintenance, preventive by the word preventive, it means pencegahan. Maintenance pencegahan ataupun penyelenggaraan pencegahan. So maintenance activities are performed on the machine before the equipment breakdown. So aktiviti penyelenggaraan ni dibuat ke atas mesin. Contohnya check and repair. Check on the machine, repair. Check on the machine sebelum mesin tu rosak. Okay. For example, you buy a new motorcycle. Every 1,000 kilometers you send for service, for lubrication, tukar minyak and whatsoever. So your motorcycle tu dikira sebagai mesin. Your motorcycle is still functioning very well, but you keep servicing and checking your motorcycle. Okay, so that is called as preventive maintenance that you take on your motorcycle. That is your machine. Okay, machine tu tak rosak lagi, but you keep checking and servicing. So the examples for preventive maintenance, second point here says preventive maintenance activities include, ini adalah contoh preventive maintenance. Regular inspection. Regular inspection means, inspection ni pemeriksaan. Regular inspection means you keep checking your machine. Let's say once a week or every week, every month. So that is called as regular. Machine tu tak rosak, tapi setiap minggu you periksa machine tu, check machine tu whether your machine is okay or not. Machine adjustment, so which comes from your inspection. You inspect the machine, then you sense something is not right with the machine, then you make adjustment to the machine. Machine tu tak rosak lagi, cuma buat sedikit adjustment to make sure that the machine is in good condition. Lubrication. Lubrication ni tukar minyak pelincir. Macam tadi kita motosikal, you send for service, you tukar minyak. Tukar minyak apa? 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T. That is called as lubrication. So same goes to machine. You kena sentiasa tukar minyak pelincir. So that is called as lubrication. Machine tu still okay, but you have to do this in order to prevent the breakdown to happen in future. Cleaning, cuci machine, and parts replacement. Maybe every 2 months you need to replace some parts to make sure that machines can function or keep functioning very well. That is also part of preventive maintenance. So the purpose of preventive maintenance here is to avoid future breakdown. Okay, so in your opinion, which one is better? Breakdown maintenance or preventive maintenance? Nak tunggu mesin rosak baru repair, that is breakdown. Or keep checking or inspecting your machine while your machine is still good, to avoid future breakdown or to avoid breakdown in the future. Which one is better? So definitely, according, or maybe when we use our logic thinking, preventive maintenance is better than breakdown. Mencegah lebih baik daripada merawat. Okay, but for an organisation, there is no logic thinking. Okay, the critical issue to be addressed in order to decide which one is better is the cost incurred. So in order to decide which one is the best or better between these two, breakdown or preventive, costs must be analysed. Then organisation will choose or decide the one that is good for the organisation. Okay, so that's all for the theory part. So you should only focus on the importance of maintenance and also the types of maintenance. Itu sahaja soalan teori. And now we go to the maintenance analysis. We are going to analyze the maintenance, as I said just now, that is to choose between breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. And we cannot use our logic thinking, as I said. So we are going to analyze the cost for breakdown maintenance as well as the cost for preventive maintenance, and later we decide which one is the best by choosing the one with the lower cost.
These are the three formulas related to maintenance analysis. The cost of breakdown maintenance, the cost of preventive maintenance, and also to calculate the savings.